Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we're going to go and try Hooters in Newcastle. Now we've never been to Hooters anywhere in the world, but this one is newly open. It's only been open a couple of weeks and is only the third Hooters to open in the UK. So yeah, let's go try it and get some of them chicken wings, which are supposed to be so nice. We shall see. So anyways, we're in Hooters now and having a quick look at the menu, and I'll get back in a minute. Lots of copywritten music, so there's going to be little clips in my talking. So here's a quick look at the menu. So we've just made our order and we're getting lots of things. Wings obviously, ribs, cheese sticks, nachos, burgers, yeah, lots of things.
Hi! So I've got the burger.
Right, yep.
There you go.
Perfect, thank
I've got
you.
the 25 cheese balls and the rest of it coming now.
Brilliant, lovely, thank you.
Wow.
Any more coffees? Alright.
No, we're alright at the moment, thank you.
That looks a good burger. I tried to pinch one. And here's my lot coming.
There's supposed to be coming on the side.
Thank you.
Yeah, just write everything down, perfect, thank you.
And it keeps on coming. And more keeps on coming.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Got on intro.
Thank you.
Oh, got to check next thing.
Do you know, we've ordered all this food.
Yep.
Forgot about something. We've still got more coming.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. I literally don't know where to start, but I'm just going to go straight in for the prawns. I'm going to try one without stuff on. And now we're going to try some of the special Daytona sauce, apparently. Mozzarella. Not much of a cheese pull, but it's nice. So, you know I'm always honest. The king prawns, or shrimp as you call them in America, are very small. So, meant to be like a king prawn, but they're quite shriveled. They must have been cold. Time to have a quick go of the nachos. Pretty good. More honesty. The nachos are pretty good, taste pretty good. I would prefer them if they were warmer. They're quite cold and they've got a beef chili on them and a cheese sauce, but it's barely hot. Well, barely warm. And yeah, I would have thought that would, and I would have liked that to be a lot hotter. Time to get stuck into my ribs. And yes, I'm trying to eat ribs with a knife and fork. But rest assured, after this clip, I'm going to be picking it up and getting it all over my face and fingers. That's what she said. It's certainly not the best rib I've had. It's not bad, it's good, just not outstanding. But it's these bad boys that Hooters is famous for, apart from the obvious. But the chicken wings are the things that everybody raves on about. Fairly average. I'm quite disappointed, to be honest. Definitely put a dent in that. So I've kind of been coerced into getting some cheesecake. Uh-oh.
Hope you had a good time. We hope you had a blast. We said it was your best time. We hope it's not your last.
Hey! So there you go. We've just had a Hooters song sung because you know it was our first time at any Hooters. Yay! Oh my days. Cheesecake, cream and toffee. And she's nicked it. Emma's nicked it already.
Nick the end.
What? So this is a New York style cheesecake. So it's quite thick and rich. And got that thick layer on the top. It's a pretty good cheesecake. So you can even get your Hooters merch, t-shirts with Newcastle on. So what, hats, t-shirts, badges, everything. Look at that. So then, that was our first experience of a Hooters restaurant. Now, honest opinions, because you know I'm always honest when it comes to the food reviews. So, the girls, well, the girls were lovely. They were very attentive, they kept coming to the table, they spoke to us. As you saw, they sung a little song when they realised it was our first time there. Service, absolutely spot on. People were trying to get the place not to open and saying it's smutty and this, that and the other. It's not that at all. Yes, the girls wear little shorts, but that's it. There's nothing dirty or smutty about going in. So, the food, which is what we went in for, I would say was average. Not the worst I've had, but certainly not the best. And I've been so looking forward to trying the chicken wings. You have to have the sauce with them. The flavour of the chicken wings by themselves isn't that great. The Daytona sauce was good, so I just kept soaking everything in that. As you saw, the prawns were pretty shriveled. And if I'm honest, it wasn't very hot. The food itself came out, you would expect it to be really piping hot. It wasn't that hot. Now, we probably could have complained and took it all back and then got it redone again, but we didn't, because we want to do an honest review. So I'd rather just do it the way it comes out, because that's the way they would serve it to everybody, and that makes an honest review, rather than me telling them how to do it. So like I say, the girls, fantastic. Service, fantastic. The look of the place we're inside, fantastic. I loved it. Would I go back for the food? Probably not. Would I go in for a drink? Yes. The bar itself, it looks good. And like I say, the service is fantastic. But the food does let it down. And I'm really gutted because I really wanted to love it. And it's not exactly a cheap restaurant. So, I mean, we had quite a lot of food. And it came to £93. So it's not really expensive, but it's also not cheap. It's not like a McDonald's. So for not that much extra, we probably could have went to somewhere like Rio's, which you know I love Rio's. And that is like top quality meat and as much as you want until you can't eat anymore. So yeah, the food lets it down a little bit. The serving staff, that's what keeps that place open. It really does. And Emma just reminded me there, on another note, They have TVs all around all the walls on the centre column and what have you, and they're showing sports. So the local football team, if they're playing, they'll have that match on, so you can go there for match days, grab something to eat and have a few drinks rather than just being a normal pub. They had the Formula 1 on when we were in there, as well as the women's football. So they do show a lot of sports, and I noticed on the way out they have a sandwich board outside advertising that they do Newcastle match days. And obviously if you want a souvenir, you can go in there. They've got a little small merch shop for your t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, glasses, hats, and even some flip-flops. Anywho, that being said, we shall see you on the next one.
Now it's time to do the job.
Hey!